I'm gonna do an unboxing video of my Louis Vuitton. No way is this video in bragging. Okay, fine, it's a little bit bragging, but I've worked my ass off and I've wanted this bag since I was basically 14, 15. And now that I'm working all the time and I'm trying to do things, I decided, well, why not? You know, you live once, right? So I got two things at Louis Vuitton in Atlanta. I got a little, like, you know, the key one for my car keys. It's cute. I love it. This I believe was like $200, but I love like the little packaging and like it's so cute. Come on. I got the dark color one for my keychain, and it's like comes like this. It's just for my car keys or cards, basically my car key. But that's that. And now for the big unboxing. I'm keeping the bag, let's be real. It's cute. Me. How the hell am I gonna open this without? I don't want to unwrap it. Oh god, I have no nails. But, like I've said, I wanted this bag since I was about 15. I'm now 25, 14, 15 I wanted it since, and now I'm 20. And I'm like, you know what, might as well, right? It's an investment, and you can always resell them too. I own Michael Kors bags, well not really bags, but wallets and stuff. I have two of them right now as we speak. But, I love the boxing, I love the packaging. Oh my god. It's so pretty. It's not even open yet. I'm just saying the packaging is pretty. How the hell do I open this? Oh. Of course, that's now. This is my first ever luxury item I've ever bought myself. It's with the packaging. I didn't get the large one, I got the medium-sized one. It's just, you know, way different and I love it. Okay. Literally, it's so cute. I love it. And like I love the inside, I got the dark outside to kind of match the little card holder. Like, doesn't really quite match, you know, because I got this color, not that one. But I love the red inside, and it comes with like a little wristlet, really? Yeah, wristlet, wallet wristlets. And it's so pretty. Like, I would use this for like, I have no idea. Makeup maybe. But I love the inside, it's all beautiful and red and it smells like freaking leather and I love it. Like, literally, it's my life in a bag. It's my first ever luxury item I've ever bought myself. I think for a long time this will be my only one. And I'm gonna give like the retail prices of it. This was $1,200, about $1,200-ish around. You can actually read them. And they give you like little thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton, of course. And the bag was $1,300 and the wallet was $205, which is not bad. I could always return it too. Yeah, within 30 days if I don't like it, I could return it. But no, I'm kidding. I probably won't ever return it because I love it. If I need the money, then yeah, I will. But it's my little splurge of the year. Fine, it's my second splurge of the year. My first splurge was my new car, and I was gonna trade that in sooner, but dang it. And I just love it because it's so like pretty. I was looking at Michael Kors bags, but like, everyone has Michael Kors bags. Everybody has Louis Vuittons too. But I love it so much. This is like one of my dreams I've had is I moved out of New Jersey to Tennessee, a whole new place. It's so different, and like I'm trying to do more with myself, my future and stuff, and like moving was one of those things I had to do for myself. So I did it. I have no regrets. I love it here. It's just far from like cities and stuff. Not like big city, but it's a city I live in. But like Atlanta's an hour and a half away, which is not terrible. So like if I want to do a lot more with makeup and fashion and stuff, I'm gonna have to go there for a lot of things, which is fine. But this is like the one gift I bought myself because I'm like, you worked your butt off, and you continue to work your butt off. And now this is like, I will look at this and be reminded every time I'm like working a lot. I mean, like, why am I working a lot? Because I like nice things. I like splurging here and there. I like fashion. It's my thing, and I love it. And then, yeah, that's basically what this video is, unboxing my Louis Vuitton Never Full. The medium size, not the small one, not the large one. They showed me the large one, that was way too big. So I just got this, and you could like fold the sides in to make it tighter, I think, yeah. You also bring it out to make it wider, and like, I just love the way it is and everything. And I can always get a monogram if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna. But that's it for this video. My Instagram's links and description will be in the bio. Thank you.